Hey guys, wait for me!
Guys!
Did you guys know that bears can run up to 40 miles per hour?
We don't care.
Did you guys know that if you sneeze and no one says bless you, the devil grabs a hold of you?
No. No.
Yes.
Yes.